Hey everyone, this is Mallory from Wings Mobile Detailing, and today we're going to talk to you the best way to maintain your car after you get a ceramic coating done. And right now we have Rick, he's here detailing this beautiful Tundra, and we're going to get started with that today. And then we're going to be showing you our featured product, which is a silica paste sealant that you're going to be using to maintain your ceramic coating. So we're getting started on the washing portion of our detailing session. Here we have a foam shampoo that's getting put on the paint to get rid of any contaminants, any dirt, and this is part of our subscription package. Rick, after I get my car with the ceramic coating, do I need to use this seal?
Roughly around 4 to 5 weeks is recommended. You just want to keep it in the best shape as possible. It definitely makes the water beat right off of it. So, to me, it's the best option.
And, how long do I need to, how often do I need to do it? Like, how many times a year would you say?
Roughly like 2 or 3 times a year, sorry. 2 is recommended, but 3 is if you want to keep your car in the best shape possible. You definitely want to do it, but don't overdo it.
Good to know.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the paint is dried, it's hydrophobic, and it's ready to hit the road.